Hey, this is Gordon up at Sunstoppers of Uptown, and today we're going to talk about the difference between paint protection film and our ceramic coatings. We like to use Expel's Ultimate Plus for our paint protection film, and we use the Fusion Plus for their ceramic coating. I get phone calls all the time. People are interested in ceramic coating their car because they think it's going to protect them from rock damage and the debris flying up off the road. They think that's a sealant to the paint that will, protect the paint, keep chips from happening and little nicks and stuff along the front of the car, but that's incorrect. The ceramic coating is basically a really high-end wax. Paint is very porous, so what the Fusion does is it fills the pores in, and it's like putting a glass coating on the paint. The purpose of that is for longevity of that waxed car look. For the next 4 years, you're going to get a warranty with our Fusion Plus. And for the next 4 years, basically all you're doing is washing and rinsing your car off. It's going to have that nice, just detailed look from the ceramic coating. Now, the paint protection film that's where that comes in, and what that's going to do is that's going to protect you from the rock damage. So normally what we do is on a full front end car, from the doors forward, and we also include the mirrors. A lot of times on these high-end cars, the headlights are expensive nowadays, so we're wrapping the headlights as well. But what we're doing is for the doors forward, we're actually wrapping the car. That's with the paint protection film. And what that's doing is that's a self-healing material that's going to absorb those little rocks flying at your car. And that's going to keep chips, dings, and little, the little nicks, it looks like sometimes it just gets sandblasted from following close to cars on highways and stuff like that. That's going to protect your paint. No more of that. The car is going to stay more new looking over time. The paint protection film, really, it's an 8mm polyurethane material that's, like I said, it was self-healing. So if a rock were to nick the PPF film, in the sun, hot water, heat guns, things like that, the heat is what, the film will mend itself back together and you will not notice that nick anymore. Scratches, you've probably seen videos before where people are taking these steel wool brushes and they'll scratch the material, they'll take a heat gun, heat it, and the scratches just go right away. That's what's going to protect your paint. The ceramic coating, after we wrap the front end, we'll go ahead and coat the rest of the car. We like to coat the glass, we like to coat the wheels. As you can see on this car here, these wheels are pretty dirty, so we'll get it cleaned up and apply the coating to those wheels to where that brake dust doesn't want to stick to that aluminum wheel like it is now. It's cutting your maintenance time probably down to a third. If it took you 2 hours to get your car looking really good the way you wanted it to look, you're probably looking at 30 to 45 minutes. Wash, rinse, dry, done. So that's the benefits of that. And on the glass, Expel is making a ceramic glass now, just specifically made for the windows on the car. Rain-X on steroids. Going down the road, it's raining 30, 40 miles an hour. The rain literally just flies right off the windshield, not even using your windshield wipers. The paint protection film is going to protect you from the debris off the road hitting the paint. The ceramic coating is giving you that nice, beautiful, waxed, detailed look. That's the difference. So we go right over the paint protection film with our Fusion Plus. It's made for that. The pores in that material absorb that liquid really good, and that stays nice and shiny and slick to where you're not having to come and scrub on your paint protection film. It's easier to keep that clean, so there's less opportunity for you to damage your PPF film. And like I say, from doors forward, it's wrapped. From doors back, we coat the rest of the car, wheels, glass. You're ready to go. You got that nice detailed look all the time.